Have you ever wondered what truly backs the cryptocurrency you hold on an exchange? In the world of traditional finance, banks are regulated and routinely audited to ensure they hold enough reserves to cover customer deposits. But what about the Wild West of crypto? How do you know if your favorite exchange isn't just printing money out of thin air or, worse, playing fast and loose with your hard-earned digital assets? For years, the crypto industry operated with a significant trust deficit. Major exchange collapses, like the infamous Nuggs hack in 2014 and more recently, the spectacular implosion of FTX in 2022, have repeatedly highlighted the catastrophic consequences of a lack of transparency. Millions of users lost billions of dollars, not just because of hacks, but often due to outright mismanagement, fraudulent activities, and exchanges operating on fractional reserves, meaning they simply didn't have the assets they claimed to. Imagine depositing your life savings into a bank, only to find out they've lent out 90% of it without sufficient collateral, and suddenly everyone wants their money back at the same time. That's a bank run, and it's precisely the kind of systemic risk that traditional financial regulations aim to prevent. In crypto, without robust oversight, this risk amplified exponentially. Users were forced to rely on mere promises from centralized exchanges, promises that, as history has shown, were often broken. This gaping chasm of trust gave birth to a crucial innovation, proof of reserves, or POR. It's a mechanism designed to bring an unprecedented level of transparency and accountability to centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Instead of simply saying "trust us," exchanges implementing POR aim to prove they hold the assets they claim to, and that these assets are sufficient to cover all customer liabilities. Kraken, one of the longest-standing and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, has been a pioneer in the realm of proof of reserves. In fact, they initiated their POR audits back in 2014, long before it became a widespread industry demand, setting a gold standard for others to follow. And in recent years, especially after the fallout from FTX, the importance of POR has been underscored more than ever, with a growing number of exchanges adopting similar practices, albeit with varying degrees of rigor. So, what exactly is Kraken's proof of reserves, and how does it actually work to give you peace of mind? It's not just a fancy term, it's a meticulously designed cryptographic and auditing process. At its core, POR seeks to answer two fundamental questions. First, does the exchange actually hold the cryptocurrencies it says it does? And second, are those holdings sufficient to cover all customer deposits? Let's break down how Kraken addresses these questions. Their proof of reserve system involves a regular, independent third-party audit conducted by reputable accounting firms. This isn't just an internal check, it's an external verification designed to ensure impartiality and accuracy. The process typically begins with a snapshot of all client balances on the exchange at a specific point in time. This snapshot captures all user liabilities, that is, the total amount of crypto that Kraken owes to its users across various assets. But here's where it gets clever and privacy-preserving. Kraken doesn't just hand over a list of everyone's individual balances to the auditor. Instead, they use a cryptographic data structure called a Merkle tree. Now, a Merkle tree might sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's a fundamental concept in blockchain technology that's incredibly powerful for ensuring data integrity and privacy. Think of it like this: imagine you have a massive list of transactions. Instead of verifying each transaction individually, a Merkle tree condenses all those transactions into a single, unique root hash. Any tiny change in any single transaction within that list would drastically alter the Merkle root. In the context of proof of reserves, Kraken takes all the anonymized client balances and organizes them into a Merkle tree. Each individual client's balance becomes a leaf in this tree. These leaves are then cryptographically hashed and combined in pairs, recursively, until a single Merkle root hash is generated. This Merkle root essentially acts as a cryptographic fingerprint of all client liabilities at that specific moment. The independent auditor then receives this Merkle root, along with proof from Kraken that they control the on-chain addresses holding the stated crypto assets. Kraken provides digital signatures from these wallet addresses, cryptographically proving their ownership of the funds. The auditor then verifies these on-chain balances independently, often by examining public blockchain explorers. This brings us to the crucial part, the comparison. The auditor's role is to confirm that the total amount of cryptocurrencies held in Kraken's publicly verifiable wallets is equal to or, ideally, greater than the total sum of all client liabilities represented by that Merkle root. Kraken's commitment goes a step further. They consistently aim for a reserve ratio well above 100%. For example, in their recent March 2025 POR report, Kraken verified a Bitcoin reserve ratio of 114.9%, meaning they held nearly 15% more Bitcoin than they owed to their users. They also demonstrated strong reserve ratios for other assets like Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, XRP, and even Cardano, which was a new addition to their audit scope. This means if every single Kraken user decided to withdraw their Bitcoin at the exact same time, Kraken would have enough Bitcoin to cover every single withdrawal, with a comfortable buffer to spare. This excess reserve provides a significant layer of security and demonstrates a strong commitment to solvency. But here's where the real power of a well-executed proof of reserves comes into play for you, the individual user. Because of the Merkle tree structure, Kraken allows you to independently verify that your specific balance was included in the audit and correctly accounted for. When an audit is completed, Kraken provides each user with a unique Merkle leaf ID and a path to the Merkle root. By inputting this information into a verification tool, you can cryptographically confirm that your funds were indeed part of the total liabilities calculated in the audit, without revealing your personal balance to anyone else. It's a powerful demonstration of verifiable transparency, moving beyond blind trust to cryptographic certainty. This user-level verification is a key differentiator that sets Kraken's POR apart from many others. Some exchanges might simply publish a total asset figure, but without the ability for individual users to verify their own inclusion, the true extent of transparency remains questionable. A genuine proof of reserves needs to encompass both proof of assets and proof of liabilities, with a mechanism for individual verification. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.